If you're a busy or overwhelmed professional or entrepreneur who's tired of all the stress, guilt, and overwhelm, and who knows that you have so much more potential, then this video will show you how to double your productivity with half the stress you're feeling today. I know that sounds like a bold claim, but I know it's possible because I've done it so many times over for myself and the people I've worked with. While working a demanding consultant job, I built a YouTube channel to over 50,000 subscribers in 6 months to now over 100,000 subscribers. I won the biggest Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu competition in my first year of training in my country, and I did that while having a vibrant social life. Today, I work for myself, and I'm the most productive I've ever been with the least stress and overwhelm. When I started to work with clients, they also transformed their productivity, like you can see here, here, and here. I know this is not another productivity hack or tactic. It's not about pushing yourself harder or being more disciplined. Those things don't last, and we all know it, right? You try a new system or a hack, and it works for a couple of weeks or a month, and then you revert back to your old self. What I'm talking about is something much deeper, and it's something almost no one talks about in the productivity space. But once you grasp it, it almost makes productivity effortless. You'll stop feeling this resistance all the time. You'll stop feeling chronically stressed, and you'll stop battling with yourself all the time. What I'm talking about is the inner work of productivity. For years, I tried to become more productive the same way everyone does, right? I was working a demanding consultant job. I had big ambitions outside of work, and no matter what I tried, I kept ending up overwhelmed, stressed, behind, and frustrated with myself. I tried everything. The first thing I tried was just upgrading my tools and systems and hacks, right? Time blocking, Notion setups, morning routines, Pomodoro techniques, all of those things, right? And they did work, but they only worked for a few weeks or a month, right? And then somehow magically I just reverted back to my old self with the same overwhelm, the same stress, and the same feeling of falling behind, right? And I thought, okay, maybe it just wasn't the right system. Maybe I just needed to find a better one. So I'd find a new tool, a new method or approach, and the same thing would happen. It would work briefly, then it would stop, and I'd be right back where I started. So then I thought, maybe the problem isn't the tools or the systems. Maybe I just needed to push harder, to be more disciplined. Just wake up earlier, work longer, grind through the resistance. And that's what I did. But it made everything worse. The more I forced myself, the more resistance I felt toward my work. The quality of what I produced got worse, and I started to dread sitting down at my desk. I was less happy, I was less creative, and that negativity started to bleed into the rest of my life. I had longer working days, I was stressed after work, I had bad sleep, and yeah, everything just got worse. Even my diet, because I ended up eating bad food just to relieve some of the tension. And it really felt that I was sacrificing everything just to fall further behind. And after all of that, after the tools and the systems didn't work, after pushing harder just made it worse, I almost arrived at the worst conclusion. I thought that maybe this is just who I am. Maybe I'm just one of those people that can't be productive and happy. Maybe it was my ceiling, right? And that was a dangerous place to be in because once I started to believe that, I almost stopped trying anything. And I kind of set a limit for myself. And I started to settle. And I was very close to accepting that. But by some miracle, some force from the universe, I stumbled upon something that changed everything for me. And that was the inner work of productivity. And I don't mean just journaling or meditation, though those things can help, but I mean understanding the deep underlying internal patterns that were actually driving my behavior. And I started to notice cause and effects inside of me that I had been completely blind to. When I was doing things from a certain emotional state, like anxiety, pressure, or self criticism, no tool in the world will give me the lasting change I craved, because it was only solving the symptom. It was like taking a pill instead of solving the underlying root cause. So when I finally looked at what was happening underneath my productivity, I was solving the real root cause. When I shifted the internal pattern instead of forcing a new external system, high levels of productivity came natural, without the resistance, without the stress, and without the constant battle with myself. It really wasn't about who I was. It was about the patterns I never saw before and never been taught to see. And from that point, everything started to change. I got effortlessly more productive at my consulting job. I had less stress than before and finished things in less time. I had almost no resistance toward working on my YouTube channel after work and on the weekend. The quality of my work improved dramatically, and the fact that the channel grew to 50,000 subscribers in 6 months when I had no prior experience in editing or storytelling or talking in front of the camera proved this. During my time in consulting, when I picked up Brazilian Jiu Jitsu for the first time and won the biggest competition in my country, and while having a vibrant social life, I didn't do this because I was special and I didn't grind harder than everybody else. It wasn't some magic productivity strategy. It was because of the inner work of productivity, and the external results just followed. And here's something even more amazing. When you stack the right external systems and tools on top of a great internal foundation, that is when you truly live up to your productivity potential. Today, I work for myself. I have a YouTube channel with over 100,000 subscribers. I'm the most productive I've ever been, with the least stress and overall. Now, I'm not saying I'm perfect. Of course not. Nobody is, right? I have bad days too, but those bad days are a lot less short-lived, and my good days last a lot longer than before. And as a result, I just accomplish so much more in total while enjoying myself. And since I was able to do this for myself, I started to teach this approach to others. I've now worked with over 50 other people, professionals and entrepreneurs, with doubling their productivity with less overwhelm, which has been truly fulfilling and amazing for me. And that is why I'm now opening up my productivity mastery program, which will have a heavy emphasis on the inner work of productivity. And with that foundation, we stack external productivity strategies on top to make you your most productive self without the stress and without the overwhelm. If this resonates with you, I want to help you. Below, there is a button you can click to book a free strategy call with me. It's a 20-30 minutes where we connect. You tell me about your situation, and I'll see if I can help you. And I just want to be clear on what this is. This is not a course. This is not some AI tool. This kind of inner work I'm talking about requires that we work closely together. Someone who can see the patterns you can't see in yourself. Someone who can guide you through the uncomfortable moments you naturally avoid on your own. You can't spot your own blind spots. So that's why this is me actively coaching you, guiding you, and holding you accountable. And because of that, I can't work with everyone. It has to be a fit for both of us. And I have to make sure that I 100% can help you with your specific situation. Because honestly, if I don't think I can help you, I don't want your money. It's not going to be good for any of us. So that's why I have these screening calls. But these calls take time, so there will be a limited number of slots available. If you can't book, it means my capacity is full, but you can always join the waiting list to be the first one to know when I open up spaces again. And if you can book, then I recommend you to do it right now. You don't want to procrastinate on your productivity potential. And for those that do book, I look forward to talking to you, and I see you soon. Bye-bye.